How to fix muted video on TikTok. If your video is muted on TikTok and you want to fix it, first open up your app. And once you open the app up, what you need to do is go ahead and find the video where your sound is muted. It might be because of various reasons, the main one being the audio is copyrighted. So in that case, what you need to do is head over to your inbox section right below. Once you land on the inbox section, you can see the system notification option. Just tap on system notification. And from here, you'll be able to see all of these system notifications that you've gotten from TikTok that's related to your account. Now, all you need to do here is find if there is any copyrighted audio notification that you've gotten, if any. So that is the first case that you want to find, and that might be the reason why your audio is muted. If that doesn't work, then you're going to have to go to Profile, tap on three lines at the top right, and then Settings. Now you can just scroll down until you find Report a Problem. Here you'll be able to select an option. So you're just going to have to report a problem to them. So from here, you just have to scroll down and click on Feed and Playback. Now from here, click on Playing Videos and see if there are any issues related to this. So here is audio not playing. And once you've done that, you can check all of these options. But if any of this does not work, tap on No and then need more help. And now you're going to have to report a problem. So briefly tell them that your audio is muted, and even after you've done everything, the problem is still not resolved. And they will get back to you within a few days and you should be able to fix the problem. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.